Today we will discuss about our writing skill where we see the format of formal letter. The question is, write a letter to the principal of your school to plead pardon as a window pane had been broken by you in 50 words. Students, here format of the formal letter is given to you. Now this one is the format of formal letter. Here first we write the designation and address of the authority. After that you skip one line, then subject. After that salutation. Salutation, after salutation, the main body, why you are writing this letter, and at last the subscription. So students, in previous videos I have already told you how to write a formal letter. Now this one is very important question which comes in your board exams, and this question is often comes in your exams. So students, according to the format, first we write here to, then the principal. The principal, Government Higher Secondary School, Raipur. So this one is the designation and address of the authority to whom you write the letter. The subject of that letter is to write a letter to plead pardon for the window pane which has been broken by you. Now here subject is letter of apology. माफी के लिए पत्र आप लिख रहे हो. अपॉलॉजी क्योंकि जो खिड़की का कांच आपसे टूट गया है उसके बारे में आप अपॉलॉजी कर रहे हो. Then salutation. Respected sir. This one is the salutation of the letter. First point is designation and the address of the addressee. Then subject, and the third point is salutation. Now the body of letter. In body of letter, students, you write how the window pane has been broken by you. Respectfully, I am a student of class 10th of your school. You mention in which class you study. Yesterday, I was sitting on my bench which is near the window. My friend threw a pencil to me. In trying to catch that pencil, my hand fell on the window pane and it broke. Here you write the reason for your writing. आपने लेटर क्यों लिखा है अपॉलॉजी के लिए, पहले आप बताओगे कि आपने किया क्या है. तो आपने क्या बताया कि आप क्लास 10th के स्टूडेंट हो और यस्टरडे मतलब जो बीता हुआ दिन है उस दिन आप अपनी बेंच में बैठे हुए थे जो कि खिड़की के पास थी. आपकी फ्रेंड ने पेंसिल थ्रो की और उसको कैच करने के ट्राई में आपका जो हाथ था वो विंडो पेन पे लगा, कांच पर लगा खिड़की के, और वो टूट गई. In next paragraph, you write the apology. I sincerely apologize for my unintentional action which caused damage to the school property. I am willing to pay the charges for the damage caused by me. Kindly forgive and accept my charges for the same. In this paragraph, students, you apologize for your mistake. आपने जो गलती की है उसको आपने यहाँ पर माना, स्वीकार किया और ये बताया कि जो अनइंटेंशनल एक्शन है, जो डैमेज हुआ है स्कूल प्रॉपर्टी का, उसके लिए आप माफ़ी मांग रहे हो, अपोलोजाइज कर रहे हो. और यहाँ पर आप बता रहे हो कि आप उस डैमेज जो आपके द्वारा डैमेज हुआ है, आप उसका जो चार्ज है वो पे कर दोगे और दोबारा से ऐसी गलती कभी नहीं होगी. तो उसके लिए आप माफ़ी मांग रहे हो कि काइंडली फॉरगिव एंड एक्सेप्ट माय चार्जेस फॉर द सेम. And the last is subscription. The last point is subscription. So here you write yours obediently. You mention your name here, on which class you study, mention the class. So students, I hope all of you have to understood how to write a formal letter. Whenever you write the formal letter, remember this format of letter. So write it in your notebook and learn it.